I'm looking for potential reversal here to target a short-term buy-side liquidity pool. I like these highs here, they're so smooth. There's a fair value gap here. I don't want it to fully close. If it closes in, I abandon the idea. Yeah, like that. I abandon the idea. I'd like to see another one forming, and then it remains open or leaves a small portion open. But that closing in there, it could still go up there, but it's not a trade that I would like to be a part of. So let me watch and see what they do here. But I like those two relative equal highs there. Looks like it wants to go there. Let's see. I'd like to see it go above the red level there, which is a consequent encroachment of a daily wick that's been graded. So we've moved down past the lower quadrant of that higher time frame wick, which is on the daily chart. Now we are trying to move up towards the consequent encroachment. Let me see. I'd like to see us close above that consequent encroachment level, the 0.5 level, which is a 24,442.1 level. Could still go to the buy side I annotated that I like, but the fact that it didn't leave a small portion of that fair value gap open and just closed it in, it invalidates the setup I was looking for. So now you can potentially see it try to make another lower low, potentially. So I'm watching and I want to see what they do. If I'm to participate going up, I'd like to see another fair value gap form, and then we don't close it in fully. We leave a small portion of it open. A BC in that case is what I'm looking for. And here you may see a reason why I'm not participating in that. The moment it fully closed in that fair value gap, I'm not participating. You are likely to see it from a lower low here. Try to move down towards this level here. Towards this level here. I want to see if it will take out that low. That's the scenario I'm staring at now. That's the scenario I'm staring at now. You can take 50 handles out of that, 55 handles out of that. Nobody should tell you that 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio is stupid. It is not. It is not. As long as you're not over leveraging, you're not risking too much. You can see this is so I moved my stop above the high of the candle that formed that BC that I wanted a portion to be left open as we went up. So now I want to see it being used as an inversion fair value gap. Inversion to send the price lower. So it's traded below the consequent encroachment level of that week on the daily chart, the 0.25 level. It's trying to move up to try and reprice to it. I would like to see it fail, yes, like that. And now the next candle that opens should run down and engage my take profit in 5 seconds. The next one opens, move down, dive down there, Mr. Algorithm. Dive down there, Mr. Algorithm. One more, just like that. And that's gonna be the business. Let me show you. That's it.